welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I see you and you're not subscribed. And I'm wondering why you're not subscribed. But you have time now to go click this subscribe button so we can be linked in. Okay? Okay. It's not the first time you're gonna hear this throughout this video. But in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I did this pinky, rosy, peachy, summery vibes. I'm gonna be incorporating a lot of pinks, as you can tell. But yeah, it's really simple. I was going for a nice, cute, summery look. As you can tell, new hair, who this? Your girl just got some faux locks, fox locks. Oh, they're definitely not called fox locks. But yeah, this is what they look like. I can take this hair tie out. Yeah, so these are my faux locks. I just wanted to try something a little different. You know, I'm all about different. No, I'm not. I honestly really hardly play with like hairstyles and all that kind of stuff. I stick to basics, but I feel like I need to venture out, you know? I just tried that, you know, bob, the blue bob for my birthday a couple months ago. I really liked that, so I'm like, why not, you know, do a little something different, add some spice into your hair. So as you can tell, I played with some blondes, some browns, just a little different feel me, feel me? But this is the look I'm giving you today. I was going for the more natural look, but like my hand just went all the different types of places. I'm like, ooh, I'm really feeling pink today. Why not throw in a spice of pink? So I threw in that spice of pink, y'all. And keep watching and I'll show you guys how I completed this look. Oh, and a little side note, today is day 10 on my lemonade cleanse. I'm going to be posting a video probably tomorrow or the day after, just sharing with you guys my results and how everything went on the cleanse, you know, how I was feeling, and just the nitty-gritty of the cleanse. It was not the easiest, but what diet is, especially a diet where you're not eating food. I did not eat a morsel of food. Today's day 10. And I am just so proud of myself that I made it this far. But this video is not about my cleanse and my journey. That is for another video. So like I said before, keep watching and I will show you guys how I completed this rosy peach look. Okay, so I'm not keep flipping my hair throughout this whole video, I'm gonna first start by pulling my hair back. Alright. I already washed and moisturized my face, but I'm now about to go in and prime my face with my Professionals by Benefit and make sure I have a nice, clean, even slate. I couldn't decide what foundation I wanted to use because I am going to be out for a bit today. I have a new foundation. I've tried it out already and love it, but I couldn't decide which one I want to use. I feel like all my foundations are long wear. They last pretty much all day. I have no issues, none of that. So it was kind of a hard decision, but I think I'm going to use my Studio Fix Liquid MAC foundation. I am shade NC46. And I honestly, the way I apply this might be different from the way you apply this, but since it doesn't have like one of those like pushy sprout or I don't know, an easier like apply method, I just go ahead and take a Q-tip and like put dots on my face and then apply my wet beauty blender and then go from there, because I don't know how you would apply this just from the bottom. So let me go get that Q-tip. I'm also gonna get all the way in my hairline because as you can tell, I already laid down my edges, but I don't want them to not blend with my face. So I'm gonna take this foundation and just pat it all in my hairline and all over my face for it to look nice and even in one color. Okay, now I'm about to do my eyebrows, which is gonna be a little difficult because I can't find my other stenciling brush. I've been using the one where you just take concealer and like apply it to fix up your eyebrows and clean them up. I've been using this brush. I know it's not the right brush, but I will be using this brush today in this video. So I want no shade or judgment. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. Okay, so 10 hours later, I'm buying all my brows. I'm going to skip right over my Patrick Star setting powder. I'll be right back with it momentarily. But first, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit and take some of this pressed powder concealer and apply that to my highlighted areas first before I set the setting powder. I just like the way it gives me a more highlighted look than just going in straight with the setting powder, but it has the same effect really. It just gives you that more lighter look, and that's kind of what I'm going for. I need to get a new concealer. That's the next thing I need to get makeup wise, because my concealer is now a little bit too dark for me where it's just blending right into my foundation. I need just a little lighter. Okay, and like I said, I'm about to go in now with my loose setting powder by Patrick Star and apply that to my highlighted zones. So now that I look like a powdered donut, I'm now about to go in and start with my eyes. I'm going to be using the Just Peachy by Too Faced today because I want to use more of those like pink shades and peachy and look all nice and, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but nice and summery. Like, you know, pink is a nice cute summery color, and pink is also my favorite color. So yeah, I'm just about to go in with my Too Faced eye primer and apply that onto my eyes. Might put too much on, but hey. So I'm now about to take the Peach Tea shade and apply that to the base of my eye. I'm also using my MAC 225 brush. I'm now taking Just Peachy and going to apply that next on the eye. Now I'm going to apply Peach Punch, which is the shade right here. I'm also taking it all the way into the inner corner of my eye because I'll be taking a nice subtle warm color tone on the inner corner of my eye to overlay those two colors. I went for that more winged look, so I'm going to go back on this eye and make sure the pink is going more out to the sides because just like I said, I want a more winged look. So now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty palette and taking the color Blood Moon and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going back in with my Too Faced palette and applying the color Peach Punch and taking that over just to smooth out the harsh lines. Okay, so now that my eyes are done, I'm going to wipe away all this excess setting powder on my face. Okay. I like to vibrate up my face a little bit and take my damp beauty blender just to set in all my face and all these products on my face. And then take my damp beauty blender and just pat everything in. We making sure my face ain't going nowhere today. So now I'm about to go back in with my Anastasia contour kit and contour my cheekbones. I'm not going to do too much because I do want to keep this like a light, subtle, peachy look today, but just enough. You feel me? And I want my cheeks a little bit more rosy today since my eyes are pretty, you know, pink and away from a rosy pink look today. I'm going to be using my Fenty Kilowatt Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge colors and just apply that to my cheekbone. This acts as a highlight as well. You know, Rihanna, you know, had to just go all out with her products. So I don't need that much highlight, but will I be applying that much highlight? Probably not, because I'm still going for the natural look, just natural peachy look today. And per usual, I'm going in with my MAC highlights. You know, as you can tell, my favorites. I'm going to be applying that right over where I applied my blush. Almost forgot my favorite part, which is just sculpting my nose. And I'm just taking, once again, my Anastasia contour kit and applying that to the bridge of my nose. Going back in with my damp beauty blender and making sure that's blended in there good. Don't want any hard lines. Now for mascara, I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. Applying about, you know, anywhere from 2 to 3 coats of mascara since I'm not using falsies today. Before I set my next coat of mascara, I'm going to take my lip pencil and shade Chestnut by MAC and line my lips lightly because I'm still going for the natural look. So now I'm going to take another MAC shade called Kittenish and apply that to the inside of my lips. I'm going to spray one last time. And there you guys have it. This is the finished look. But thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, please ask below. Like I said earlier, I will be updating you guys on how this cleanse went if you are concerned. If you want to see my first video of how I started the cleanse and what actually is it, I will be linking that video below in my description box. The cleanse is called the Master Cleanse. If you want to, like I said, watch the video, it will be down below. If you have any questions on this makeup look, please ask below as well. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. And yeah, hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. Tell me guys what you did for Memorial Day. I didn't do diddly squat besides hang with friends and hang with my mom. So I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend, your long extra weekend. And like I said probably before, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.